Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript in an easy step-by-step way. First, grasp the absolute basics. Understand what variables are, different data types, and how to use simple operators. Practice with conditional statements like if/else and basic loops. Setting up a simple coding environment, perhaps just a browser console, will allow you to start experimenting right away. This foundational knowledge is crucial for everything that follows. Once you have the basics down, dive into core JavaScript structures. Understand how to write and use functions, work with arrays to store collections of data, and create objects to represent more complex entities. Crucially, learn about the Document Object Model, or DOM, which allows JavaScript to interact with and change web page content. Build small projects, like a simple calculator or a to-do list, to solidify these skills. Now, let's expand your skills with more advanced topics. Asynchronous JavaScript, using promises and async/await, is vital for handling operations that take time, like fetching data from a server. Explore modern ES6+ features, which introduce powerful new syntax and capabilities. Challenge yourself by building a slightly more complex project, perhaps a small single-page application, to integrate all your learned concepts. This step truly prepares you for real-world development. To continue your journey, consider exploring popular frameworks like React or Vue.js, which are essential for building large-scale applications. Learn to use version control systems such as Git and platforms like GitHub. They are indispensable for collaborative development and managing your code. Remember to stay focused and hydrated while coding. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other helpful deals. Keep practicing, building, and never stop learning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.